Kris Jenner alarmed, Kardashian Hulu show facing cancellation, family struggles to avoid further setbacks. Welcome back to Celeb Sphere, where we delve into the latest gossip and drama from the world of celebrities. Today, we're diving into the tumultuous world of the Kardashians as their highly anticipated Hulu series faces the threat of cancellation. Kris Jenner, the matriarch of the famous family, is reportedly petrified at the prospect of another setback. Join us as we uncover the details behind this shocking development and explore the potential implications for the Kardashian empire. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest celebrity scoop. The Kardashian-Jenner clan has been a staple in the realm of reality television for over a decade, captivating audiences with their extravagant lifestyles, personal dramas, and undeniable charisma. Following the end of their long-running show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, fans eagerly awaited the launch of a new series on Hulu, which promised to offer a fresh perspective on the family's adventures and challenges. However, recent reports have sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry, suggesting that the Kardashian Hulu series is on the brink of cancellation. Sources close to the production reveal that creative differences, scheduling conflicts, and financial concerns have contributed to the uncertainty surrounding the project. With tensions running high behind the scenes, Kris Jenner finds herself facing a daunting reality: the potential loss of yet another major platform for her family's brand. Known for her savvy business acumen and unwavering determination, Kris has navigated the ups and downs of the entertainment world with finesse, turning her family into a global phenomenon. The cancellation of the Hulu series would not only be a blow to their collective legacy but also a significant financial setback. The Kardashians have built a multi-million-dollar empire on the foundation of their media presence, endorsements, and business ventures. Another high-profile failure could have far-reaching consequences for their carefully cultivated image and marketability. As speculation mounts and fans express their concerns online, the Kardashian-Jenner clan remains tight-lipped about the future of their Hulu project. While some sources suggest that negotiations are still ongoing and a resolution could be reached, others paint a bleaker picture of irreconcilable differences and insurmountable obstacles. In the face of uncertainty, one thing is clear: the Kardashians cannot afford another loss. With their status as cultural icons and trendsetters at stake, the pressure is on to find a solution that will satisfy both the family and their loyal fanbase. As the drama unfolds behind closed doors, all eyes are on Kris Jenner and her ability to steer the Kardashian ship through yet another storm. The Kardashian saga continues to captivate audiences around the world, blending real-life drama with larger-than-life personalities. As the future of their Hulu series hangs in the balance, the stakes have never been higher for the iconic family. Will Kris Jenner and her clan overcome this latest challenge, or are they destined for another setback? Stay tuned to Celeb Sphere for all the latest updates on this unfolding story. And remember, hit that subscribe button to keep up with all the celebrity buzz.